Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you are here and that you are watching this video because that means that I have hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. I started my channel kind of at the end of December. I really wasn't planning on it being a full force channel at that point. I just wanted it to be something where I could direct my friends to how I make a certain thing, or tell them where I found some things that I loved or things that I got questions about often. So that's kind of how I started YouTube. And then at the end of January, I was like, you know what? I'm loving this. It's so much fun. So I decided to make my first cleaning video then, and it just has kind of taken off from there. I can't believe I'm already at 10,000 subscribers. Never in a million years did I dream that this would happen. So I'm super excited to see what happens in the future and where this journey goes. And I just want to say thank you to you guys because you have all been so sweet, so supportive with all of your comments. And I mean, I love reading every single one of them, and I try to respond to every single one of them as quickly as I can, if not by the next day. Sometimes I do get caught up, and you guys know how that is with family, but I'm so excited about all of the friends that I've made through this just recently starting YouTube, all of the friends that I've made, all of the super sweet subscribers that I have, and I'm just so excited about the future. So let's go ahead and jump into this giveaway. In order to enter the giveaway, one, you have to be a subscriber, and all you have to do is hit that subscribe button and then leave me a comment down below that you are subscribed to my channel, and that is how you will enter this giveaway. If you want extra entries, then you can do two other things. You can go follow me on Instagram, leave me a separate comment below that you're following me on Instagram, and I'll leave that here on the screen. It's just at Team Darlie. And then the third entry is if you share this video out to someone that you know, or like Facebook or anywhere on social media. If you share this video, leave me a third comment below telling me that you shared it, and that is your third entry for this giveaway. Alright, so you actually have until June 6th to enter this giveaway, and it will end at 12 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time on June 6th. So 11:59 p.m. will be the last minute that you can enter, and then on June 8th I will be announcing the winner, and the winner will have 48 hours to claim this prize. Alright, so let's go ahead and I will show you guys what the winner will get. So the first thing I'm giving away is a graphic tee, and if you don't know, I have an Etsy shop. It's called Magically Made Tees, and I sell lots of Disney inspired stuff for like theme parks or family trips, things like that for Disney. But I have been adding lots of graphic tees lately, and I'm actually thinking about changing the name of my shop to be more of a broad name, because I am doing more lifestyle tees now that are printed, that are screen printed instead of just vinyl. So the winner will get a graphic tee, and you can either pick something from my shop, any shirt from my shop, or you can send me a custom wording that you would like, and I can make that for you. And the next thing that the winner is going to get is this wine tumbler, and of course you can use it for water too, but it's perfect for summer. I'm trying to get that glare, but it's a Bev to go tumbler, and you can use it on the beach or wherever, but it's also going to be customized with your monogram. So that's the second thing. The next thing that our winner will get is this Burt's Bees eye makeup remover. This is my favorite eye makeup remover, and I know you guys know I don't use a ton of makeup, but I do love this whenever I have on eye makeup. So that's the third thing. Alright, and then my channel is mainly cleaning content, so of course I have to have some cleaning stuff to give away. So I'm going to give away this. It's a bubble brush, and it's from Grove Collaborative. See if you can see that. And I'm going to open it up for you guys. This one's actually mine. I just ordered a new one. So the winner will get one of these as well. But it's just, it comes with this little ceramic. Alright, so it comes with this little ceramic dish. And then on the inside, it has this little thing, and it just goes right on the inside of your dish. And then you can put your dish soap in there, and then you use your little scrubby brush for cleaning your dishes. And then when you're done cleaning your dishes, you just stick it back in here and you've already got your soap in there ready for the next time you clean your dishes. So this is super convenient and it's cute. So I love it. So the winner will get one of those. All right, and then the next thing that the winner will get is this all-purpose cleaner by Mrs. Myers in the basil scent. This is my favorite scent. You guys know, if you've been following me for a while, that I absolutely love the basil, especially in like the multi-purpose cleaner and the dish soap. It's my favorite scent. All right, and then the last thing that I'm giving away, I'm super excited about. My friend Lynn, I met her through YouTube, but she has a channel as well, and her channel is called Lynn Purposeful Joy, and I'm gonna leave her channel link down below, but she also has an Etsy shop, and she makes lots of signs and door hangers and wreaths and things like that. So she offered to give away a really cute sign, and if you've seen my videos, then you know that my house is like farmhouse style. We built our house last year and moved in at the end of July, and our house is a farmhouse style house, and then so all the decor in it is as well. And I'm sure that you've seen some of my signs that are up in my house, but this one is similar, so I'll show it to you. So the sign that you will win looks like this. Well, this is the sign that you would win. So whoever the lucky winner is will get this beautiful distressed farmhouse sign to put in their house. And it's 1 Corinthians verse 13, 4 through 7. So it's the love is patient, love is kind verse. And it is gorgeous. So, I mean, this would be worth it just getting this. But so the winner will get that sign and all of the other goodies as well. I hope that you're as excited about this as I am. I'm super excited for this winner to get all of these fun things. So don't forget to go ahead and enter now, because you have until June 6th to enter. And if you forgot how to enter, I'm gonna leave all of that in the description box below so that you can go back and check and make sure you get all 3 of your entries in. If you want to enter 3 times, I mean, obviously you'd have better chances of winning that way. But if you're not subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, because you can't win if you are not subscribed. And I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, let me show you my shirt that my husband got me. It says, I'm YouTube famous. Yay! So he ordered that for me and it showed up today, and I was so excited to wear it in the video. All right, guys, so that's really it. I hope that you love all this stuff and that you will enter, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.